the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289. Find the sum of first n terms. Okay, you have given sum of first 7 terms means S7 is equal to 49. Okay, that of 17 terms, it means S17 289. What you have to find out? Sum of first n terms. Sum of first n terms. It means Sn is equal to question mark. Okay, so what to do? See here, what we know. Sn formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. N upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. N is 7 here. 7 upon 2. 2a plus 7 minus 1 means 6. And S7 is given to you 49 then. 49 is it? Okay, 49 2s are 98. This is divided by 7. 2a plus 6b. 7 1 are 7. 7 4 are 28. 14 is equal to 2a plus 6d. If 2 is common, then 2a plus 3d is equal to 14, and 14 upon 2 is 7. A plus 3d. This is equation number 1. Come on for equation number 2. Again formula Sn. Sn equal to n upon 2. 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay. This is S17. This is n. N is your 17, that is 289. 17 upon 2. 2a plus 17 minus 1d. Okay, multiply 289 into 2. Divide by 17. Then what will come? 2a plus 16d. 17, 17. This is your 34. 2a plus 16d. Okay, then take out 2 common from RHS. This is a plus 8d. Divided 34 upon 2, it is 17. A plus 8. 7 is equal to a plus 3d and 17 is equal to a plus 8d. Okay, I am solving this equation by linear equation with 2 variables, and I am using the method, your elimination method. Okay, 7a is equal to a plus 3d and 17 is equal to a plus 8d. Minus 10, this will cut, minus 5d. Minus 8d plus 3d, it is minus 5d. Then this will cut, 10 upon 5. Then d is coming 2. Okay, put d is equal to 2. Put d is equal to 2 in equation 2. 17 is equal to a plus 8 into 2. 7, 8 to the 16, 10, 16 here. A is coming 1. Okay, one more thing you have to find, that is Sn. What is formula of Sn? We all know. N upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, n upon 2 is n upon 2. 2a, a is what? 1 plus n minus 1. N is n minus 1. D is what? 2. N upon 2. 2 plus here 2n minus 2. That is n upon 2 into 2n. N to n cut. Your answer is n square. A1, A2, A3, An form an AP, where An is defined below. An is equal to 3 plus 4n. Find the sum of first 15 terms. Okay, what An is given to you, just you see. An is equal to 3 plus 4n. Okay, we have not given AP, we have to generate AP. How can we generate it? We can put value and natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us see. 1, A1, 3 plus 4 into 1. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Put n is equal to 2. A2, 3 plus 4 into 2. 4 to the 8. 8 plus 3, 11. Okay. N is equal to 3. A3, 3 plus 4 into 3. 3 plus 4, 3 is 12. 12 plus 3, 15. Then what is our AP? Then AP will be 7, 11, 15 and so on. Then how many terms? 15 terms. Then 15 terms. What A is given? 7. D is given 11 minus 7, that is 4. Okay. And N is 15. We have to find Sn, 15 terms. Okay. Now you see formula of Sn. Sn is equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay. Now put all the values. Here n is 15. So S15 will be what? 15 upon 2. 2. What is A? Clearly A is 7. A is 7 plus what is N? N is 15. 15 minus 1. What is D? D is clearly 4. 15 upon 2. 7 to the 14. 14 4s are 56. This is your 56. 15 upon 2. 56 plus 14 is 70. Okay, then 2 are 2. 35. 15 5s are 75. 7. 15 3s are 45. 45 and 7 52. This is here 50. Yes, next question is, if the sum of first n terms of AP is given to you, 4n minus n square. Sum of n terms means Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. What is the first term? We can say S1 or A1. Both are the same thing, only one term. First term is A1 or you can say S1 also. What is the sum of first two terms? That is A2, S2. And what is the second term? Second term means A2. Find the third term. Third term is A3, A10 and An. These all things you have to find out. It is very easy. Now just you see the thing. The general thing it is given to you. Sn is given to you. If you put n equal to 1, you will get S1. Now come on, I am putting here 1. If I put n is equal to 1, then you will get S1. 4 into 1 minus 1 square. S1 is your A1 also. 4 minus 1 it is 3. Okay. Come on for S2. If I put n is equal to 2 here, this is S2. S2 means n is equal to 2 here. Okay. S2 means actually what? Sum of two terms. Can I write A1 plus A2 on place of S2? So I am putting A1 plus A2. This is 4. Okay. Now come. See here. What is A1? A1 is 3. I am putting. This is 4. Then A2 is equal to 4 minus 3. This is 1. Okay, A2 is 1. Okay, now you have to find, you got here S2 is 4, A1 you got it this. Now A3. Before finding A3, can I get D? D means A2 minus A1. Okay, what is A2? A2 is your 1. A1 is what? A1 is 3. Then what will be D? D is minus 2. Now A3. A3 can I write A plus 2D? A means A1. Both are the same thing. First term. A1 is given to you 3 plus 2 into what is D minus 2. That is 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Value of A3 is minus 1. What is value of A10? A10 is equal to, with help of formula A plus n minus 1D, here A is your A1 and 10 minus 1 is 9D. A1 is what? A1 is 3. 3 plus 9. D is what? Minus 2. Okay, 3 minus 18. That is minus 15. A10 is minus 15. What is AN? A plus n minus 1D. A is what? 3. N minus 1. D is what? Minus 2. 3 minus 2n. Minus 2n plus 2. That is 5 minus 2n. This is your A1. A1 is what? 3. This is 3. That is your S1 also. So we can say S1 is also 3. These are the answers I am writing. Okay. Then what is the sum of first two terms? Sum of first two terms means S2. S2 is coming here 4. S2 is 4. Then what is the second term? Second term is A2. A2 is 1. A2 is 1. Okay. A3. A3 is minus 1. A10. A10 is minus 15. Then last one, AN. 5 minus. This is your. Yes. Find the sum of first 40 integers divisible by 6. Okay. First number should be 6. Then second number should be 12. Third number is 18. Then 24. And how many are there? 40 terms. Okay. Then what is given? See, A is equal to 6, B is equal to second term minus first term, and N is equal to 40. Okay. And you have to, what you have to find? As 40. Okay. Now what will be the formula? Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. See, Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, as 40 will be what? N is your 40 and 40 upon 2. Okay, then you see 2a, 2 into 6 plus 40 minus 1. What is D? D is your 6. This is 20, 12, here 39 into 6, 20, 12. 9, 6 are 54, 5. 18 plus 5. 18 plus 5 is 23. 23. So 20. This is 234 plus 12. This is 246. 6 2s are 12. 1. 2 4s are 8 and 1 9. 2 2s are 4 and 1 more 0. This is your answer. Next question is find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. Okay. First multiple is 8, then 16, then 24, then 32. How many terms? 15 terms. Okay. What is A is equal to 8? Very clear. Then what is D? D will be 16 minus 8, that is 8. And what is N? N is what? 15 terms. You have to find S15. Similar question. Then formula of Sn that we all know. Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. N upon 2 means what? 15 upon 2. 2a. A means what? This 8. N is 15 minus 1. D is what? 8. Okay. Then see 15 upon 2. This is 16. This is 14 into 8. Okay. 15 upon 2. 8 4s are 32. 3. 8 1s are 8 and 3. 11. 15 upon 2. Okay, 112 plus 16. This will be 128. 128. 2 1s are 2. 2 6s are 12. 2 4s are 8. This is 15 into 64. 15 4s are. It is 60. That is 0. 6 is here. 15 6s are 90. 90 and 6, 96. This is your sum. Yes. Find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. Okay. Now we try to make it one AP. Okay. Between 0 and 50. Then what will be AP? Just you see. First odd number is 1, then 3, then 5. Then and so on. That is last one is 49 because last number is 49. We have to find the odd numbers between 0 and 50. First of all, just to see what is given. A is 1. What is D? Second term minus first term, it is 2. L is given 49. N is not given to you. And Sn is also not given to you. Okay. We will get L. We will know the formula of N. L. What is formula of L? L is equal to A plus N minus 1D. A plus N minus 1B. L is 49. A is 1. And you have to find. And B is 2. It's very clear. 49 minus 1, this will become 48, n minus 1 upon 2. 48 upon 2, that is n minus 1. This is 24. Then 24 plus 1. This, what will be n? Clearly, n is 25. What you have to find? You have to find Sn. Sn when L is given to you. Then what will be the formula? Really, what will be the formula when L is given to you? N upon 2 in bracket A plus yes L. N upon 2 in bracket A plus L. What is N? N is 25. 25 upon 2. A is what? 1. L is what? 49. Okay, 25 upon 2. 49 plus 1 is 50. This is 25. So 25 into 25. This is 625.